Brassard, the ball carrier. Tackled by Fort. And number 45, Pierre-Paul Duet. Pass is intended for number 87.
Choice, Joe.
Come on, think about it. Keep coming, guys. Keep coming, eh? That's all it is, defense. That's all it is, brothers. You gotta keep coming, man. They don't know. They don't know.
This is the stuff you gotta get.
They don't know what's going on, man. They don't know.
St. Mary's player. Dean Joe on the draw.
Sick.
Pass is intercepted in the end zone by number 5, Pascal Basson. Pass intended for Tershon is incomplete.
Good job, Phil. Good cover, buddy.
Beauty.
Oh, it just goes like that when he stops.
Remember that. Person, get Louis. Person.
Perez.
So what?
Right here?
Throw the ball, Tony. Throw the goddamn ball. Throw the ball. Keep throwing it to.
Jones' pass is incomplete.
Oh! That's right here. Turn it.
Gotta go the opposite way. Can you throw it off?
Perez, touchdown.
My money's down tubes. Oh, $2.
freak. Yeah, nice.
The Atlantic Bowl sponsors promotion. Watch for a Pepsi football to come your way. If you catch it, the football has an even number on it. Bring the football to the prize area at the south end of the stadium at the discount volunteer truck and claim your prize.
Just change your socks. Because you're probably walking around all day, right? So your feet are probably sweaty.
Number 20. Pass complete to the... Mothered by Camcorder.
With attitude, get your copy of the Daily News. Once again, the Daily News is proud to be part of the Atlantic Bowl.
Let's go, Al. Come on.
Perez. Tackle on the play by Boyman.
Let's go, O-line!
Loss of 2 play. Gain of 2. Second and 8.
Come on! Push!
Jones. Sacked on the play by number 95. Dupuis.
Let's go, Trev. Let's go, Trefton. Catch! Get to that goal! Let's go, player! Yeah! Let's go, D! Pass! That's it, Ruda! No yards!
Pass complete to Brassard.
Atlantic Lottery Corporation is the proud sponsor of the Atlantic Bowl. Jordan State team for the Atlantic Lotto.
Defense! Let's go, D! Defense! You see somebody let's go, Curtis! Here we go. Atlantic Bowl effort 2001, baby.
Quarterback, the kicker! Back up! Block!
Oh. Come on now.
That
Participating in sport.
Good job. Even all that.
Quick switch! Through the ball, man! Through it!
Just get it up.
Bartolacci concedes the safety.
Five Husky are located in the northwest corner of the stadium.
You might be able to stop that guy from coming right down the line on
Anybody here a kickoff?
Next thing, fellas, hey.
Kickoff?
It looks like right now they got a bit of momentum. It doesn't look like it. It is. They're getting off the ball on us and they're making some plays. We have to make an adjustment. That's one of them on Cirque to come back inside, right? The other stuff we got to start doing is we got to get into our other stuff. Maybe a little Philadelphia, maybe a little Chicago. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Everything we have can work. It's a reverse. Go.
Let's wrap. Let's call it wrap.
Get up.
Go, Patty, wrap him.
The energy of the yoke. The Drinkle Yogurt from
Go,
Dublin.
Go get it, truck then.
Oh! What do we got?
Pass intended for Stella.
Nice!
Get the ball. Strip the ball.
Number 20,
Come on, boys.
Drew.
Here we go. What? We're gonna have some fun. 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 What? We're gonna have some fun.
Let's go, second half, Atlantic Bowl. The Warriors getting ready.
Where'd he put it?
Yeah. And here are the victims, Laval.
Yeah!
The whistle is blown. Stay back.
Come on, left! Go left!
Drew.
Yup. These are all our bandwagon fans that don't show up during the regular season, but just want to come and celebrate when we start winning.
The Atlantic Bowl is brought to
Lago,
you
we doing this shit for us anyway.
Camcorder.
Big D. This shit will never happen again. Watch this one.
Pass is complete to number 9.
They roll out.
Pass intended down.
Come on, baby. Come on, defense. Don't even play with them. Shut them out, man. Shut them down and shit.
Pass complete to
Go, Junior!
Pressure.
Kill the quarterback. Kill the quarterback.
Pass complete to Drew.
This guy by the end of the game. This pussy right here.
Third down.
Good job, defense. Yeah, baby. Yo, Phil, you working hard today, baby. Good job. They wanna come and dance for us now? We need to dance all year long, but they want to show up just for today.
Pass is ruled incomplete. Through. Hunter.
To win this half, let's go!
Go!
We want it too much, man, we want it.
Mastermind of the operation.
Offense, get it real quick!
Short kick by Laval.
Defense! Let's just stay with the Moody!
Oh, you little bitch! Stay down there. Oh, bring out the meat wagon, baby. Bring out the meat wagon. I know you guys got hype for that. We try to tell them, man. Huskies, more bite than bark, baby. More bite than bark. Woo! Dark side. That's a dark side right there. That's what happens when you try to step up on SMU.
Here it comes!
That's Nash catching a quick snooze during the third quarter. He's tired.
Nice, medical. Nice, sail. You got your cane. Who's got your cane? Curtis, keep it
The yellow
Let's go, get up. Don't show no weakness. Don't show no weakness.
at the 41-yard line.
Good job, Pete. Good job, Pete. Hell yeah.
Brassard, tackled by Demers.
The disciple.
That's big play, man. Chad! Chad!
Incomplete.
Hey, good job, Jake.
Keep busting asses when he just said. You just said just keep busting ass.
Keep it up, man. Let's go, Pat! Let's go, Pat!
Luis Perez.
What is it?
Jake can fix anything.
Wanna go yet?
Yeah, his fingers are falling apart, so ready to tape him back together, tape him back onto his palm. He'll be all good though, he'll be back in this
You
play.
know how it is, man.
Pass is incomplete.
See a kick.
Come on, it's the quarter. No yards. Go the fuck.
Dave Stallon.
Hey. Josh.
Yo, Phil's just trying to kill everyone today.
That was the
I like the way he's playing, baby.
third
Phil.
Trust me. He's gonna murder someone today. Trust
He
me.
must have drank some juice out of my cup or something.
Put it up.
You may have Phil. Stop.
That's all right. It's me here. It's here. That's my problem. Let me tighten up your strap.
Put some tape on it. Everything will be good. There we go. More tape. More tape.
We're killing boys down here. We're killing boys. Making men. Hell yeah. It's like jail over here. The Rock.
There's something. Oh, shoot. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh.
Someone threw their garbage on the field, too.
Lineman special. It was almost great.
Let's go, Gabe! Rob, come up! Move! There you go. Yeah, Chris! There you go, Chris!
This guy thinks he's cool and shit. Look at him.
Third try.
Let's go, D!
Attend to the Jones.
That's it, boy! Josh, fuck! Josh, help him play, buddy! Move! Check downs, Luke.
Watch the clock.
Let's go!
Oh, Jeff,
That thing! Air goes. Because I let them get down.
Hey, you know for each other, right? Weak side, represent.
Weak side, baby.
Yo, weak side represent. Every day.
boy is good. The boy is good.
Can I get some? Can I get some?
Hell yeah.
Teed up, baby.
how these little girls, man. I'm talking about how you guys watching this film.
High school football championship beginning at 1 o'clock.
What?
Curtis Dash.
Let's go! Get him down, Mike! Dino! Dino! You see that move? Jericho! Back it up! Offside! Yeah! Offside defense!
Dean Jones.
Yeah, Bill! He didn't run there, man.
Back it up!
Yeah! Oh, now he's calling. Now he's...
God damn it, we need more tape. Get that shit taped up. Good job.
First in.
Run!
Where are you running to?
Shit, come on!
You're not going to the end zone.
Philip.
Good job, guys.
Nice. Yeah! Good job, Rick! Third down.
Pass is incomplete. The illegal receiver thrown 11-yard line.
Been a good season, Laval. But ours has just been phenomenal.
Information, check the website at www.420.
Broken warriors,
Please remain off the field.
broken bodies and broken hearts. There we go, baby. There they come, here we come, baby. Eric trying to get some. Eric trying to get a piece. It's my dog.
First and 10. Huskies on to Daniel. We remind you of the presentations to take place immediately at center field on the timers side of the field. We would ask the captains, the St. Mary's, and the
Husky, baby. Here we go. We go. Yeah. Yeah.
Where's that trophy at?
Ah man, many warriors come to fight. You know what I'm saying? Some survive, some die.
As soon as the
Metaphorically
captains
speaking,
of St. Mary's
it means
are
you lose.
available, would they please report to the 50-yard line? Please report to the presentation area.
These tough guys. The boy is good. The boy is good. You got games.
Good job, man. Where we going, dog? We're going to TO.
Yo, we going home. Y'all taking me home, man. I owe y'all, man.
We're going to TO. We're going to TO. Let's go.
Keep on the down low, though.
To present the downloading trophy.
Woo-wee. Woo. Very good. Whole bunch of happy people, man. Good energy, good energy. Whole lot of happy people, man.
Hey, Stevie.
Oh, we're gonna master Jean-Michel.
Hey, guys, yeah.
Let's go. Hey, Luis. Let's go. Man, that's why I never come, man.
What we got here? Atlantic Bowl.
Jump in here. Hey,
Atlantic Bowl champion.
Hey, guys. Hey, Fleming, jump in, guys.
The good man.
Excellent. So thank you very much for this victory for Halifax, and